What do you know? We have two Boeing 747 Kalitta Air flights originating out of Anchorage, Alaska, destined for Los Angeles, California. I can even hear the jets coming from that plane that I'm filming right in front of me. So this is the first plane, and the second plane should be coming any moment. Here's plane number 2. You can even see the lights coming from the plane, and there's a third plane. See if I can catch that. Which is a Cessna. See that up there? I can hear it. Both Boeing 747s. First one right there, and second one right here. Crazy, isn't it? And here comes another plane. You can obviously see the green and red lights on the wings. And over in the distance, you can see some aircraft warning lights. Those blinking red lights are antenna towers or cell towers.